Hey everyone, welcome back to Auto Transport 101. Today we're diving into the world of auto transportation. So if you've ever had a question about how your car gets from point A to point B, we're going to be talking about the ins and outs of the industry. So buckle up and let's drive in. Now, the auto transport industry is like a well-coordinated partnership between two essential key players. First, we have the brokers, and then we have the carriers. So picture this: you need to move your car across the country, but don't have the time, resources, or whatever. So enter in the auto transport industry, where the brokers and carriers work together to get your car from point A to point B on time, safely, and essentially meet all of your needs. So let's start with the brokers. These are, the matchmakers of the auto transport world. Brokers connect the customer, you, with a suitable carrier. So they act as kind of the intermediary, handling the logistics, negotiating the best deal. You can kind of think of them as your personal concierge, ensuring a smooth and stress-free experience. On the other side of that coin, we have the carriers, and these are the companies with the big rigs you see cruising down the highway. Carriers are responsible for physically, moving your vehicle from one location to another. They have the equipment, the drivers, and the expertise to get the job well done. So you might be wondering, why choose a broker over dealing directly with a carrier? Well, here's the deal. Carriers often have set routes and schedules. So if your desired destination isn't along the regular path, you could be stuck waiting for weeks. And so this is where broker becomes, your best friend. So choosing a good broker is crucial for several reasons. First and foremost, they have an extensive network of carriers at their disposal. This means that they can find a carrier that fits specific to your needs, route, and timeline, minimizing your wait time. Moreover, brokers provide a level of customer service that carriers might not. So they handle the paperwork, keep you updated on the status of your vehicle, and really are your go-to contact throughout the whole process. It's like having a dedicated ally, ensuring the safe travel of your vehicle. So that's all for today's exploration of the auto transport industry. And if you found this information helpful, give us a thumbs up, like, and subscribe. Also, if you're wondering what goes into finding a good broker, click on the link below and you should find some helpful information there. Thank you so much, and join us next time.